Imagine if the secret to a healthier, more vibrant life was hidden in your morning routine, just waiting to be unlocked. Picture this: a simple cup of tea or coffee that not only energizes you for the day ahead, but also contains powerful ingredients capable of transforming your health from the inside out. Sounds almost magical, doesn't it? But what if I told you that this isn't just a fantasy? It's a reality that you can easily incorporate into your life. Welcome to ZenSpark, where we merge ancient Buddhist wisdom with modern wellness practices to guide you on a journey toward better health, inner peace, and overall well-being. If you're ready to discover the life-changing power of 5 simple ingredients that you can add to your daily cup of tea or coffee, then stay with me until the end of this video. Trust me, what you're about to learn could profoundly change the way you start your day and how you live your life. But before we dive into the specifics, make sure to subscribe to ZenSpark for more insights that can help you live a balanced, healthy, and enlightened life. And don't forget to check the pinned comment below for a special ancient Buddhist technique that can help you attract wealth and abundance. In our fast-paced world, where stress and health challenges are all too common, we often overlook the simple yet powerful practices that can drastically improve our well-being. One of these practices lies in the daily ritual of drinking tea or coffee, something so routine that we rarely stop to consider its potential beyond just a caffeine boost. But what if this daily ritual could be transformed into a mindful practice, one that not only energizes your body, but also heals it? In Buddhist teachings, the act of drinking tea or coffee isn't just about quenching thirst or waking up. It's about mindfulness, presence, and the deep connection between nature and your inner self. By carefully selecting the ingredients you add to your tea or coffee, you can turn this ordinary routine into a powerful act of self-care. As the Buddha once said, health is the greatest gift, contentment the greatest wealth, faithfulness the best relationship. These words remind us that true well-being isn't just about the absence of illness. It's about cultivating a state of balance, harmony, and vitality in all aspects of our lives. So today, I'm going to share with you 5 incredible ingredients that, when added to your tea or coffee, can help you achieve just that, starting with the most universally revered root in natural medicine. Ingredient 1. Ginger root, the universal healer. Ginger has been used for thousands of years in various cultures, from Ayurveda in India to traditional Chinese medicine, and its healing properties are nothing short of miraculous. This powerful root is known for its ability to aid digestion, reduce inflammation, and boost the immune system. In Ayurveda, ginger is called the universal medicine, and for good reason. It's not only effective at easing nausea and digestive discomfort, but also plays a crucial role in balancing the body's energy. Imagine starting your day with a warm cup of ginger tea, its spicy warmth spreading through your body, soothing any digestive discomfort and preparing your system for the day ahead. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties are also well documented. The bioactive compounds in ginger, particularly gingerol, work at a cellular level to reduce inflammation, which is a common underlying factor in many chronic diseases such as arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. But the benefits don't stop there. Ginger also has potent antioxidant effects, helping to combat oxidative stress in your body, which can lead to premature aging and a weakened immune system. By adding ginger to your morning tea or coffee, you're not just warming up your body, you're fortifying it against a host of potential health issues. If you're new to using ginger, start by grating a small piece of fresh ginger into your tea or coffee. The fresh, slightly spicy taste will not only invigorate your senses, but also kickstart your digestive system, setting a balanced tone for the rest of your day. Ingredient 2. Cinnamon, the spice of balance. Cinnamon is more than just a fragrant spice. It's a symbol of balance and moderation, two principles that are deeply rooted in Buddhist philosophy. In the same way that the Buddha taught us to seek balance in all aspects of life, cinnamon helps our bodies achieve balance, particularly when it comes to blood sugar levels. Cinnamon's health benefits are extensive, with its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties being among the most significant. Antioxidants in cinnamon help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Two major contributors to chronic diseases like particularly powerful disease is its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. For those managing diabetes or simply trying to maintain steady energy levels throughout the day, cinnamon can be a game changer. It helps improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. This in turn reduces the risk of energy crashes and cravings, allowing you to move through your day with consistent, balanced energy. Imagine sipping on a cup of cinnamon-spiced coffee, each sip bringing with it a wave of warmth and balance. You're not just enjoying a delicious drink, you're actively supporting your body's ability to maintain harmony and well-being. You can easily add a dash of cinnamon to your coffee grounds before brewing, or stir a small amount into your tea. Not only will this enhance the flavor, but it will also imbue your drink with the balancing properties of this ancient spice. Ingredient 3. Cardamom, the digestive soother. Cardamom is another spice that has been cherished for centuries, particularly in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine. Known for its digestive benefits, cardamom helps soothe the stomach, reduce bloating, and promote overall digestive health. Cardamom is often referred to as the Queen of Spices because of its wide range of health benefits. It's particularly effective at combating indigestion and other gastrointestinal issues due to its carminative properties, which help alleviate gas and bloating. But beyond its digestive benefits, cardamom also has a calming effect on the mind. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, where stress can wreak havoc on our digestive systems, cardamom offers a sense of calm and ease. This aligns perfectly with Zen teachings, which emphasize the importance of nurturing both the body and the mind. Imagine brewing a cup of tea with cardamom, the aroma filling the air with a sense of peace and tranquility. As you drink, you're not just soothing your digestive system, you're also calming your mind, allowing yourself to fully relax and be present in the moment. To incorporate cardamom into your tea or coffee, simply crush a few cardamom pods and add them to your brew. The subtle, complex flavor will not only enhance your drink, but also provide a gentle, soothing effect on your digestive system. Ingredient 4. Cloves, the immune booster. Cloves are a powerhouse of health benefits, particularly known for their ability to boost the immune system. Rich in antioxidants, cloves help protect your body from harmful pathogens and reduce inflammation. Cloves have been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and their benefits are well supported by modern science. They contain high levels of eugenol, a compound that has been shown to have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties make cloves particularly effective at boosting immune function and protecting against diseases. In addition to their immune-boosting capabilities, cloves also have antimicrobial properties, making them a natural remedy for oral health issues. In fact, clove oil is often used in dental care to reduce toothache pain and fight infections. But cloves are more than just a medicinal spice. They also hold spiritual significance in many cultures. They are often used in rituals and practices for purification and protection, aligning with Buddhist teachings that emphasize the importance of maintaining a pure and healthy body as a vessel for spiritual growth. Imagine the rich, warming taste of cloves in your tea or coffee, each sip fortifying your immune system and protecting you from the inside out. You're not just enjoying a flavorful drink, you're engaging in a daily ritual of self-care and spiritual protection. You can add whole cloves to your tea while it brews, or ground cloves to your coffee grounds. Start with a small amount, as cloves have a strong, distinctive flavor. Over time, you'll learn to balance the taste to suit your preference. Ingredient 5. Turmeric, the golden healer. Turmeric, with its vibrant golden hue, is renowned for its powerful healing properties. Its active compound, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, making turmeric one of the most effective natural remedies for a wide range of health issues. In Buddhist teachings, turmeric symbolizes the light of knowledge and wisdom, illuminating the path to health and spiritual awakening. This is fitting, given turmeric's ability to combat inflammation at a cellular level, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has been extensively studied for its ability to reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative damage. It also supports cognitive health, with research suggesting that it may help beneficial turmeric to your morning tea or coffee. Its golden color brightening your drink, and its healing properties fortifying your body. You're not just drinking a beverage, you're embracing a powerful tool for long-term health and vitality. Turmeric has a slightly earthy, bitter taste, so start with a small amount, about a quarter teaspoon, added to your tea or coffee. To enhance absorption, consider adding a pinch of black pepper, which contains piperine, a compound that boosts the bioavailability of curcumin. Now that we've explored the incredible benefits of these 5 ingredients, let's talk about how you can bring them all together into a daily ritual that honors both your body and spirit. In Buddhism, rituals are a way of connecting with the present moment, bringing mindfulness and intention into our daily lives. Imagine waking up each morning and preparing your tea or coffee with these powerful ingredients. As you brew your drink, you're not just going through the motions, you're engaging in a sacred practice, one that aligns with the principles of mindfulness, balance, and self-care. Each sip becomes a meditation, a moment of presence and gratitude for the gifts of nature that nourish your body and spirit. As you incorporate these ingredients into your daily routine, you'll begin to notice subtle but profound changes. Your digestion improves, your energy levels rise, your immune system strengthens, and even your skin becomes clearer. But beyond the physical benefits, you'll also experience a greater sense of inner peace and connection to the world around you. As we come to the close of this journey, I invite you to embrace the teachings of Buddha and the principles of Zen in your daily life. The simple act of adding these ingredients to your tea or coffee can become a powerful ritual of self-care, one that honors your body, mind, and spirit. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to ZenSpark for more insights into how Buddhist teachings can enhance your life. And don't forget to check the pinned comment for a special ancient Buddhist technique that can help you attract wealth and abundance. Before you go, share your thoughts or a positive affirmation in the comments below. Your journey to better health and well-being is just beginning, and we're here to walk it with you every step of the way. Until next time, may your cup be filled with peace, health, and happiness.